If you own a car, you must have auto insurance. Most people are aware of the fact that buying an auto insurance policy in United States is not cheap. Most insurance companies demand that you pay premiums upfront in order to get coverage from them. But if you have exhausted your funds on the purchase of your car, this may not be a viable option for you. This is often the case with students and first-time car buyers. One way to get around this problem would be to look for no down payment auto insurance. While full coverage insurance is optional, all 50 states have made it mandatory for car owners to have liability insurance. If you are strapped for cash and opt for liability insurance, keep in mind that any damage to you or your vehicle in the event of an accident will not be covered. There are a lot of factors to consider if you are thinking about trying to find no down payment auto insurance. The car you own plays a large role, as you stand a good chance of signing up for such a policy if it is older and not too expensive. Another thing that you need to understand is that such policies are not necessarily the cheapest option, although they help in reducing your immediate financial burden by not requiring a large upfront payment. You will often find that the total of the monthly premiums at the end of the year in no down payment policies exceeds the advance that you would pay in purchasing an insurance policy upfront. However, if you are short on cash, not having to pay an advance to buy auto insurance is a blessing. The best way to find the right no down payment auto insurance for you is to shop around. Searching online is a good way to start. Many companies offer online quotes, and you can compare the premiums along with what each company is offering. You should be aware that while you do not have to pay a lump sum up front, you will have to pay for the coverage of the first month in order to become insured. There are certain websites where you will get quotes from multiple companies by filling out a brief form. Once you have narrowed down your options, take some time to speak to an insurance agent from the company. You may get a better rate based on your specific case, which would be an added saving for you. There are a lot of people who prefer to make monthly premium payments even if they can afford to pay in advance. This may be because they enjoy the freedom of being able to switch carriers without paying cancellation fees, or simply because they prefer not to pay a lump sum. No down payment auto insurance is a great way to make auto insurance affordable. It also helps to prevent people from trying to drive without insurance and improves the overall road safety. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.